see. Let's
behind
behind and see. Wow, so many children. Here I come to find you all. Let's see. To find you all. First, Pearly is
behind the door.
behind the door. Wow. Pearly is behind the door. Peter is beside
The bed.
the bed. Wow. He beside the bed. Paul is
Behind the table.
no, is under
The table.
the table here. Paul is under the table. Holly is behind the
Curtain.
curtain. Wow. Holly is behind the curtain. This one is called curtain.
Curtain.
Pam is in the
Cabinet.
cabinet. Yeah, this is the cabinet. And Pia is in the
Box.
box. Wow, he's in the box. And Parker is at the
Tree.
tree. Wow. I found everybody. Let's say bye bye.